Hey, this is Dr. Cosetta White, America's #1 advisory accountant and tax expert. I am the founder and CEO of My Financial Home. We are a boutique firm specializing in accounting, tax management, tax planning, tax preparation, as well as other business services that we offer to our clients. We are currently serving clients in approximately 28 states as well as 4 countries. And what I love most about what I do, because I'm truly passionate about it, but I love educating, inspiring, and empowering my clients. It's nothing like helping a client get a good grin on their face when I've showed them how they can save $10,000, $100,000, $50,000, whatever the number looks like. I've helped thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of clients. I have been preparing taxes since the early 90s, and I have been helping business owners grow their business to 6 digits, 7 digits, simply by implementing strategies that allow them to grow, to level up, whether that looks like structuring different pricing strategies or, looking at profit margins, implementing KPIs to help them understand where the numbers are going, what's happening in the business on a daily basis. There are indicators that will allow them to say, hey, I set the goal at 100K. We're only halfway. It's the third week of the month. We got to push, push, push. But it's tactics, simple tactics that I assist my clients with in helping them grow. When we talk about tax planning, it's all about really sitting down with the clients and helping them understand, are they set up with the right business formation? Maybe an S corporation is not the appropriate or best business structure for everyone. Maybe the C corp is not the best, an LLC and a partnership. So I sit down with them, number one, to help them get a clear understanding of how they can best utilize the business formation that they have set up. And then we go into some other strategies, you all. So that's what I love about my clients. I love numbers. I always say the numbers are sexy, and they really are, especially when they're not in the red. The numbers are definitely sexy. But listen, the reason why I hopped on here is because, oddly enough, over the last couple of days, I've had a couple of, I've had a couple of individuals come to me and wanting clarity as to whether or not they would have to file taxes in both states. Now, lo and behold, the 2 clients that came to me, one was a resident of Nevada and the other was a resident of Texas. So those were the 2 primary states. However, they both worked in the state of California. So if you are aware, Texas does not file state income taxes, and Nevada does not file state income taxes. So they both reside in those states. That's their primary place of residence, not the California. They just work in California. So both of them had questions, 2 different calls. They both had questions as to would they be obligated to file a tax return in the state in which they are non-residents. And the answer to that is yes, because if you're in the state of California, or if you are in a state, any state, and you earn wages or you produce any type of income in that state, then they want their piece of the pie as well. Here's the caveat. If you are military, then this does not apply to you. Because if you are military, wherever your primary residence is, that is the state in which you're responsible for paying taxes in. Now, if you are a primary resident of California and they have you in Wisconsin, then guess what? You don't have to pay taxes there because your primary residence is the state of California. But that's just for our military individuals. But for all others, the answer to the question is yes, you would be paying taxes in the state in which you are a non-resident. And here's one clue. The Internal Revenue Service knows because on your W-2, down at the bottom in the box for a state, it'll tell you where those, it'll say CA, it'll say AZ, It'll say GA, it'll say IA, it'll say where you generated those earnings or wages from. Okay, now here's another caveat. One of them said that her primary residence is Texas. Her wages from her part-time job are California, and her retirement money is registered where her primary residence is. So what do you think in that particular case? How would it work? In her particular case, her retirement money would be non-taxable income in the state of Texas, because that's where the money is coming to. That's where she's receiving it. However, because she works part-time in California, she'll still be required to file a California tax return, and the wages that she earned in the state of California are taxable to the state of California. Now, all of the money is taxable income on the federal level, but this question clearly pertains to which state are they responsible for filing state taxes in. Okay, so hopefully that helps somebody. All right, if it did, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get all the information as it's released, all the YouTube and whatnot. It'll notify you. And please, by all means, share this with your colleagues, share this with your friends, share this with someone that's in the military and maybe they have that question, or maybe someone that works in 2 states or multiple states. For instance, our traveling nurses work in multiple states, although their laws are a little different. But just share it. You never know who has worked in multiple states, and they may need to hear this information. All right. In the meantime, make sure you head over to my website at www.myfinancialhome.com so that you can learn about all the services that we offer, as well as all the things that you need to know about My Financial Home. Who are we? When do we become into existence? Who do we serve? What do we like to do? And all those good things, okay? And for myself, you can follow me on all social media outlets. I'm at Cosette M. White. I love hanging out on LinkedIn. I will hang out on Facebook and, of course, Instagram. So make sure that you tag me, make sure you like me, make sure that you comment. Again, I am at Cosette M. White. In the meantime, again, if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. I can't wait till our next money conversation. You going out there and make it $1 million day. Have an awesome and amazing day.